Now let's talk about Ubuntu, a product that kind of disrupted the Linux desktop space. Ubuntu 18.4 is going to be released, which is going to be the first LTS after a very long time that will come with GNOME as the default desktop environment and shell. Personally, I think it's a good thing for the desktop community because Canonical can now focus on the pure Ubuntu experience, the base, and the GNOME community can build on they have a wide community on all the things that the community needs. So I think it's the best of the both worlds. But from your perspective, what do you think about this transition, this change?
I'm very grateful to the GNOME community for the work that they've done to build, GNOME Shell and so on, and I'm impressed with how the Ubuntu community have engaged and the GNOME community have engaged. I think that the 1804 desktop, GNOME desktop, is going to be clean and reliable. There continue to be a bunch of different desktop environments. The KDE guys are doing great work. Mate has emerged as a great desktop. I am going to be using the GNOME desktop, but I see a ton of other people in the office using all of the other ones, so I think that's good too. I miss the work around Unity. I really enjoyed thinking about how different kinds of personal computing could come together and converge. For me personally, that was a very ambitious, forward-looking project, and I'm sorry that we weren't able to see it through. I'm glad that there's some community and some folks at Canonical who will essentially maintain Unity, and so for folks who like that experience, I think that's great. But at the end of the day, my personal focus now is the enterprise and the automated data center side of things, and the edge, the IoT and microcloud kind of environments. And so for me, that's a full day, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time reminiscing about projects that I was unable to pull off.